y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So we are packing. Yeah, I hate packing. You need to do your letters. Running is doing her letters. She's been a big girl and she's gonna show y'all once she put them inside all her letters. Okay, so go ahead and get started so you can show them when you finish, okay? Z has put his stuff in. He's gonna roll it and put it in there in his backpack. Backpack and suitcase. And mom is just momming, okay? I'm a little stressed, but we're gonna get through this. I'm a little stressed trying to get everything. So this is baby girl bag. We only can have one bag and one suitcase a piece. So that is what's the stress, where the stress come in at, y'all. Where the stress come in, trying to make everything fit. A lot of stuff won't go, so we just gonna try to figure out what we gonna pack up, and yeah, y'all can watch us do that. So I'm about to go ahead and start rolling up some clothes. We're gonna try to compact pack. If that makes sense to y'all, compact pack. Hold on, let me make sure y'all can hear me. Okay, y'all. So I'm teaching him how to compact roll. You already know what you're gonna do, right? Mm-hmm. Socks supposed to be already made it up, which don't look like it.
I already got mine.
Underwear. How many pair of underwear you have?
I was already
anything
prepared.
Extra is going in this
I
suitcase.
got everything prepared.
Okay, anything extra is going in this suitcase.
Mm-hmm.
There's her other shirt.
I think I could fit at least 4 things, 4 pairs of clothes.
Well, we're gonna try to do that because you want to put your books in there too. So that's what we're gonna do.
Hey, which books? I already got my 3 books.
Okay, because these gotta come out of here. Because it wasn't that sink. Like, touch it. Did it feel like it's oil? Hold on, y'all.